Well,
there we go.
You can see these things are, some of them upright, some of them upside down. I got started here and the camera wasn't on. I was going to show you what we were doing and the camera wasn't on, so, but they're started. Well, I'm going to just speed you up a little and go from there. Can't see me? I'm tanned. Oh, if you're still with me, you see I am cutting, trimming the ends. These are 16 feet. Some of my milled wood here. This is for fascia plates and on the eave. And then I just squared up a bunch of 8-footers. Got them all ready to go on the roof and do some strapping up there. So if you seen the trusses go up, hopefully that video will turn out. And you'll watch me doing some welding, and I don't want to give away too many clues. I did some welding, and I found a roll of belting here that was in my shop, and show you what I'm doing to it. Let me see some pieces here. What I'm doing just cutting 14-inch pieces. And I'm going to make something. So if you're still with me, because most of my videos are not doing just one thing. Most of my videos are just getting things done, things I need. Go back, go get some parts, little DIY, and this is just another DIY project, and probably a little wondering, if you watch many of my videos, then you're probably starting to gather that you never know what I might be doing. It does surprise a lot of people. You just make some useful things out of some things that are not so useful anymore. We can just repurpose, reuse as much as I can. Can't afford to go out and buy new stuff, and I can't afford to go out and buy one of these, but I'm going to need it. So I decided to grab some stuff, get it together, and we'll be showing you in a little bit what we're doing with it. I think we got just about enough. So tappers and big washers, and any idea what we're doing now? Kind of giving away clues. Well, I can't weld this part, so if you've been following along in the video and paying attention to see what I'm building, some of you that followed me for a while probably have a clue what I'm building. Others might not, but I do build a little bit of everything. Well, let's go have a look. Like a shower curtain, right? Maybe not. Maybe not. Oh. I don't know if you can see that. There we go. Well, what do you think? Once I weight her up, it's going to drop the truck a couple inches. Once the trailer's behind, get it all loaded. I think it's going to be perfect. So that should get rid of some of the chances of beating the front of my trailer up. So, yeah, a pretty nice little skirt. Just some old stuff from around the farm. But if you're just joining me, I take this trailer with me in the freezer, and I have a piece of tin that fits here and goes back, and that protects the motor and keeps rocks, too much direct water if it's raining hard. And but I was on a gravel road and it was a little wet, and as you can see, this is all sand and stuff that built up on the front of the trailer. So them flaps are going to help a lot. So yeah, I think it's sticking out too far. That's all right. Might bang your knee on it. I left the rubber stick over the edge a little bit. Just here. Just you're walking around close to the truck. I mean, pretty easy to cut the corner. You know, just I'm gonna just grind that off, make it a little bit smoother. But the rubber there will help protect the legs. Well, I did a little check before I put all this on here. I need to just square up the rafters. So I am going to just sneak along the roof here. I threw a chain up. Get tied down there to the quad so I can pull this, because with just one brace I can still move it. See? So I'm going to get back down without breaking my neck. There. As you can see, I'm getting to the strapping part of it, so I'm going to be on the roof. Not much I can show you up there. Show you once we get it done, or just about done, but I got it kind of braced now and the edge done, so just going to get at her, and we can maybe take you along a little bit. We will. If not, well, we'll show you when we're done. Well, if you followed along a little bit, you know I can get pretty creative. But when you work by yourself, you know, you just have to do things different. Little engineering in your head. Take a thought or two, you know, make something safe. I mean, I work by myself, that's not really safe, but you know, you'll see what I've done in the past. You've seen me with, you know, getting straps up when you're trying to put boards up when you have nobody to hold the other end. Got a long board, you know, you see I've put a strap up there, and I'm going to use that to my advantage. You know, even if you have to put a board, I mean, that board's permanent, that's going to stay there, but you know, even if you have to put a board and then, you know, hook a strap, and then got to go up the ladder. I started some screws up above my head here because a couple screws there to hold it, and I got a bad arm. I got to try and do this the right way. So, there we go. Through the strap. Doesn't have to hang perfectly straight as long as it's close. And, you know, yeah. Okay. That one's in there pretty good. Well, 4-inch screws are hard on these cheap bits. Oh, I got something to hang on to that's sturdy, so, you know, it's not so bad. Getting out, hanging off the edge. You got a good, you have a good seat. Always. Okay, I gotta get this out of the way. Drop it. Be able to push that up as much as I can. I shouldn't have threw that strap down there. I need it. Need that strap. Pull these together, but no, I think we can do it now. Time for a little break. Just so you'll see, I know it's a little fast there, the high speed, but you can't watch me do it all, or you'll be watching me for days. A little bit at a time here. Just you can see I got this strapped here, so that's for putting tin on. Or I guess if you want to put plywood on over top, you could do that, but you don't need to put the strapping if you're going to do plywood. It's going to have tin eventually. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4 more boards to put up on that side. And I threw some up over here. You can see that's not done. Going to take a little while because my garden patch needs worked up. I got to get my potatoes dug out here right away, and I got to get that part of the garden patch worked up. I'm kind of summer following it and trying to clean it up, but yeah, we'll get her done and we'll show you a little along the way. Well, see that behind me? Looks pretty good. But it took me a couple of days, maybe more than a couple of days. But it's all strapped all the way to the end and all the way back down this side, all the way back to where I am. So it's officially ready for tin. Or I don't have the money for tin right now. So, well, maybe if we get another few thousand subscribers but otherwise the tin's gonna wait. Probably not gonna get tin on here till next year. I think it's about $2,000 worth of tin, so yeah, I need to get away and so you're seeing this. I'll probably be gone. I'll probably be a fishing rod in my hand by the time you see this video. Gonna enjoy a little bit here before fall, and then we'll get back at the fall projects. They all come on so quick, so just a little catch up here and there. Maybe get back to piling a little wood. Haven't done that for a month or more already, and I'm getting slacking. I got to get going at it and get her done. So, but ciao for now. I'm gonna dig a few potatoes to take camping. It's some pretty shallow. Got a couple there already. Oh my goodness. There's some pretty big potatoes. Well, you've been following along since spring. You've seen me plant them. Oh, a couple baby ones. I'm gonna dig a couple of hills, but wow, look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 2 little babies. 15 potatoes. 1 hill. Boy, some of them are pretty nice. Red potatoes. Got that. Too big for baking.